This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskills.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss the difference between function and subroutine in JW Basic Programming Language. So first of all we'll discuss the function, and the first difference is that a built-in function is pre-defined program, whereas if we talk about the subroutine, a subroutine itself is a small program consisting of set of statements which are usually written within main program. Second difference is function is used in an expression to perform a predetermined operation on an operand. The second difference is subroutine is similar to function in the sense that they can be referenced from other places in a program. That is, it is written once and can be called anywhere in the program. The third difference is, talking about function, it is used to calculate and return a single value. Third difference about the subroutine is a subroutine can be used to calculate and return many values. So function only return a single value, whereas subroutine can return many values and can be used to calculate many values as well. Number 4 difference is there are two types of functions in BASIC. Number 1, library functions. The second one is called the user defined functions. The fourth difference is in subroutine there is no type of subroutines in GW Basic. Next, number 5. A function is always given a name. For example, SQRA or ABS X. Number 5th difference in subroutine. Unlike functions, subroutine is used and is not given a name. So this is the difference. Difference number 6. Arguments are used in functions. So if we discuss the number 5, fifth difference, is and X is treated as an argument closed in parentheses. So they are called arguments. So arguments are always used in functions, whereas in subroutines, arguments are not used in subroutines. 7th difference, number 7. User-defined functions are defined by the user with the def fn statement. Goes up, return statements are used for developing subroutines. Number 8 difference. Now we'll discuss an example. Example is line 10 CLS, line 20 def fn x. Name of the function. Y is used as an argument, equal to, and the expression is y raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 2 divided by 2. Number 30. Input number 1, colon, double quotes close, comma A. And number 40. Input number 2, colon, double quotes close, comma B. Line number 50. C is equal to def C is equal to fn x, fn x a n plus fn x b. Line number 60. Print C. Line number 70. E and en. So this is an example of a function, how it is used, a user-defined function. Whereas if we talk about the subroutine and give an example of it, so the example can be like line number 10. RAM statement is used for giving a remark. Go sub statement. So whatever is written with the RAM statement, which is laid as a remark in the computer. Line number 20. CNS. Line number 30. Go sub 60. Line number 40. So we always discussed before that a question mark can be used for a print statement. Back from subroutine. Line number 50. E and en. Line number 60. Question mark used for printing purpose. Subroutine in progress. So what will happen eventually? Subroutine in progress will be displayed first, because on line number 30 go sub statement is used, which will redirect the program execution from line number 30 towards line number 60. So line number 60 will be first executed, and then the control will be transferred to the line number 40 by using the return statement on line number 70. So return will actually return the control to go sub. Since the go sub is already executed, so it will display the second line right after the go sub line, which is line number 14 back from subroutine will be displayed on the screen. So end statement is used, which will prevent the re-execution of the subprogram subroutine, which is called. So we have discussed this. So viewers, in today's video we have discussed the differences between function and subroutine, which is very, very important. This question can be asked in exams. Very, very important, because through this way you can easily understand the difference between subroutine and functions, which is very, very important to understand. That's all, and thanks for watching my video.